I want you to know that I'm here for you every step of the way, no matter what exercise program you're doing, from Insanity to PiYo, or maybe something on your own, or maybe something custom I've sent you. Listen, it doesn't matter what you're doing, as long as you are doing something. There's nothing like being sedentary and just sitting on the couch or surfing the internet or whatever and not moving your body. It is so, so important. I am here for you via text, email, now video chat right here on the website. You can get in touch with me, ask me questions, recipe ideas. They call me chef here at home because I'm constantly in the kitchen making, baking, creating something different for my family or for myself, something healthy, something fun. I'm a chocoholic by admission, so I need to have my sweet fix some kind of way. So I've got yummy recipes and everything, lots to share with you if you just give me a call or text me or email me. And I want to know what you're doing. What can I do to motivate you? I'm telling you, you can do it. You may be in a funk right now. You may be depressed right now. You may think, oh my God, I just can't afford this and this and that and that and this, and just the whole world is on your shoulders. You got this. I know you can do it. I believe in you. I know that if you press play every day, by the end of that first week, there's no telling the results you're going to get. And Shakeology, that meal replacement, forget about it. It is awesome. And it's just what you need to give you that boost with 70 fruits and vegetables. So get off the couch, get away from that computer. Stop looking at me right now. But find your perfect exercise program and do it today. Pepper is here for you. I'm here in any way I can possibly be. I know that times are hard. I know. I mean, I've been where you are. I've had that obesity issue, believe it or not. You've seen my before and after pictures. I look crazy. But I had to do it for myself. Whatever that aha moment is for you, whether or not your jeans aren't fitting, whether you have a wedding to go to, a bar mitzvah, a birthday party, family, or even class reunion, whatever that aha moment is for you, get there. I know that you can do this, and I'm here for you every step of the way. Come on, click something. I got you.